is Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today I have all of these My Little Pony marshmallows made by fash'ems, which is made by BasicFun. But they sent us a lot of these My Little Ponies here. And they sent us a full set here. So thank you so much BasicFun for sending us all of this amazing stuff. And these are available at Target and Walmart. So let's get opening. So here's like one I got from Target, and here's what they look like. And this one is Princess Cadence. And these are actually really cool and detailed. So let's get opening and see who I get. So I'll start off with this one. Let's see. Oh my gosh! I got another Princess Cadence. This one's a bit harder because maybe it was in the freezing cold. It's still really cute. So let's put that over here. Put them over here. And then let's see. Next we have this one. We got Fluttershy. So here's Fluttershy. This one's a bit softer. So, let's see. This one, we got Princess Luna. Ooh. And then we have Pinkie Pie. It's even got the cutie marks there. And then who's this? Okay, so this is Sparkler, I'm pretty sure. So this one's a bit dense, but it's still really cute. And here's the cutie mark. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, so we got Lyra. I really like her multicolored hair. Let's see. This one's empty. This one. We got Twilight Sparkles. This one and this one. Ooh. Whoa! So we got DJ Pony. This one's really interesting. I like how she has the sunglasses on. And it is a unicorn. And it's got a little tail right there. And it has a cutie mark. It's like a music. We got Rainbow Dash. It's got the cutie mark. We got 3 more. We got Applejack. It's got some apples there. we got Princess Celestia. Ooh. And the last one is... And guys, take a minute to go to the comment section and comment what you think this last one's going to be. And you can pause the video. Okay, now let's open. Let's see where it's, okay, here it is. It's Rarity! So we got the full set. Okay guys, so that is it for this video, and I can't believe I got the full set. I'm really excited and happy. And I'd like to thank BasicFun for sending us all of this squishies here. They are really cool. And you can find these at Walmart and Target, but you can probably find them in other locations, but I've only found them in Walmart or Target. So that is it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want us to do in the next video. Bye!